Are you pointing at your puppy? Where's the puppy? There's the puppy! Oh. Yeah, I got your puppy. There's nothing over there.
Yeah, Grandma tucked those under so you couldn't play with them, huh? Grandma. Grandma very mean.
Not like Nazi Daddy.